Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. I hope you're all well at home, and some great news here before we start another close-up coins game. I've got the day off tomorrow, a long weekend for my birthday, which is on Saturday. Super excited, and I honestly cannot wait. So this is a close-up coins game. It is quite a difficult one. We do start off a little bit easier and we get super difficult towards the end. Again, just trying to make it fun and exciting for everybody. So again, even if you don't get any correct, have a go anyway, have a little bit of fun, and we'll go through the answers together on Sunday evening. So there's 8 close-ups of it's either a 10p, a 50p or a £2 commemorative coin in this video, and they are definitely close-ups indeed. All of the coins were released for UK circulation, there's no tricks here, and again, all commemorative designs. The question is, can you get all 8 of them correct? I think I'll probably be able to get 2 or 3. 8 is super difficult, I do know. It is a little bit of marking there on the coin, but again, hopefully it is a little bit of fun, this one. There's going to be plenty of videos coming up over the weekend. I will actually schedule a couple videos up for Saturday afternoon, just when it is my birthday, as again, I will be out with the family. Again, all I can say, a huge shout out and thank you for all of the support on the channel. We're probably going to hit 27,000 subscribers as well. 27,000 family strong on Saturday. And what a way to round off a birthday with you all on the channel. Best of luck with this game. Hope you enjoy the content to follow. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.